What's up, guys? Today we are going to learn the essay Environmental Pollution. It is the most important essays in English. So let's get started. Environmental pollution has become a serious problem for sustainable life on Earth. Pollution is everywhere, in air and in water. And the problem is so grave that it has already destroyed many species of plants and species, and some animals are on the point of extinction. Environmental pollution is also acute in Bangladesh. Though the government is aware of and trying to control environmental pollution, the outcome is not up to the mark. Indeed, society, state, and individuals need serious engagement to bring a sustainable result. Second paragraph. Pollution of environment occurs at three levels of the basic elements of our environment: earth or land, air and water. And since they are interrelated, pollution of one inevitably affects the other. Next paragraph. The pollution of land involves decrease in the necessary components of soil and a corresponding increase in its components, which are harmful to animals and plants and damage to human establishments. The main sources of pollution of soil are wastes of various kinds: human waste, municipal waste, and industrial waste, radioactive waste, and mineral waste, and chemicals, and fertilizers, which are used for increasing the fertility of land for agricultural purpose. Polythene and many other kinds of plastic goods are thrown away in an unplanned way. They are seriously disturbing the normal composition of the land to a great extent. Moreover, the unplanned construction works, digging roads and other activities, which involve great change in the land much, are also producing land pollution. Water pollution has caused so much change in the quality of the water, and it becomes unsafe and dangerous for drinking by human beings. It may also be dangerous for other animals, fishes, and even plants. The sources of water pollution are mainly those which cause land pollution, because water is contained in land. Next paragraph. Sound or noise pollution means that noise in the air prevails to an extent which causes problems to humans. Human beings can tolerate certain level of loudness called decibel. If the level exceeds the normal level beyond the power of human toleration, it does harm to the human psychological system and causes various diseases or troubles. Air pollution means that normal composition of the air, the fixed proportion of different kinds of gas, is seriously disturbed. The sources of air pollution are many. The polluted land and water emit exhalations into the air. Fumes from mills and factories, petrol exhaust, and emission of gas from engines of automobiles and refrigerators and air conditioners fill the air with poisonous elements. The bad effects of environmental pollution are legion. Since the earth, air, and water are intimately related to each other, pollution of one element directly or indirectly affects the other elements as well. But we can mention the major damages done by the pollution of different elements of the earth. Land pollution reduces the fertility of land, decreases the products from crops and plants, destroys many species of plants and animals. Land pollution also disturbs the geospheric balance, which contributes towards the occurrence of natural catastrophes like earthquake and huge tidal waves like tsunami and hurricane. It destroys ecological balance as well. Water pollution causes damages much like those of land pollution because it is immediately connected to land. Moreover, it produces serious diseases like diarrhea, cholera, indigestions, hyperacidity, hepatitis, etc. It also adds to air pollution. The offensive and unhealthy exhalations from polluted water permeate the air around and causes diseases related to lungs and digestion. Air pollution, next paragraph. Air pollution causes various damages to health of humans and animals. Diseases of the heart and lungs are mainly due to air pollution in big cities. Heart trouble, headache, tuberculosis, cancer of the lung, brain and heart, indigestion, hyperacidity, etc. It causes various damages to human establishments. The bricks and mortar are being eaten away by the fumes from the traffic, slowly but inevitably. Sound pollution damages health and human establishments. It creates heart trouble, hypertension, nervous disease, brain tumors, headache, and so on. The habit effect shakes the foundations of buildings, rendering them weaker and weaker every day, and the weakened buildings collapse after a time. Next paragraph. The control of environmental pollution is not an easy task. In a poor country like Bangladesh, it is very difficult for the government alone to control environmental pollution. It requires individuals to play a bigger role alongside the government efforts. In an atmosphere of privatization, individuals visuals on bulk of the industries and trades. If the industrialists are conscious, many environmental hazards can be avoided. They shouldn't throw the industrial garbage into water or in open place. Rather, they may recycle the wastes or put them into ground or burn them. In case they have to dump waste in land or water, this must be treated well so as not to pose any health hazard to public. They should check emission of black smokes to minimize air pollution. Next paragraph. Vehicles are also responsible for air pollution. So the owners of trucks, buses, cars, etc. should take care that the engines don't emit poisonous fumes. Similar caution should be taken in case of water vessels to avoid water pollution. General people have a big responsibility in controlling environmental pollution. They should be friendly to the environment and should not cut trees indiscriminately. They need to be more conscious of the importance of clean, cleanliness. It is evident that the control of environmental pollution is a mammoth task. It is not enough for the government to fight against environmental pollution. Individuals need to take a greater role in this regard. But government can play a role in making people aware of the danger of environmental pollution and the importance of maintaining a safe and sound environment. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.